Hey guys, how you doing? This is Travis with Tacos and Tecates. Today we're going to walk you through a simple fog light replacement. We're going to pull off the stock fog lights from the 2018 Tacoma, and we're going to be installing a new amber LED fog light from Morimoto. We purchased these lights over at Custom 54 Lighting. The link is in the description below. Please check them out. They have some really cool products. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave the comments below. Lots more to come from Tacos and Tecates. So today we're going to go in through the hood. No reason to pull off the grill, no reason to unscrew anything on the fender wells. It's going to be a simple reach-in process, should take you no longer than 15 minutes. Let's get started. So here's what will be included in your new fog light replacement kit from Morimoto. So you have the driver's side, the passenger side fog lights, 2 pieces for the new housing, the wiring housing, and then 2 additional screws just in case the stock ones don't fit, or you drop one, you lose one, misplace one, what have you. That's what your new set will look like. Alright guys, so the driver's side is a bit easier to access, but right now we're looking in through the top, under the hood, and there's definitely plenty of room for you to get your hands in here and make this a very easy replacement from the top, or from under the hood, instead of taking off the grill or the fender wells like some videos. So here's your stock fog light. What you want to do is you're going to reach down here. All you're going to do is unhook the wiring here. So there's a little tab you're just going to press on. Very simple. That pops right out just like that. Now if you see over on this side where my finger is, there's 1 screw holding in this whole unit. So for the top reach in, it's easiest to obviously use a little stubby screwdriver. Sorry for the video going in and out of focus there. And you're just going to unscrew that. And then once you get it pretty much, you can just kind of grab it there. And then very easy, your fog light will just come right out. Just like that. Alright, so we got our fog light removed here, and we're just taking a look at the wiring. Very important, you just want to make sure that you get the wiring correct to ensure proper function of the new fog light, and that you don't have any electrical issues. So we're looking here, you have green on your right and white on your left. So green is going to be the positive on 2018 Tacoma, white is your negative, and then on your new fog lights you have a red and a black wire. So red is going to attach to the green here, and then black's going to go to the white. So you just want to make sure, if you're looking at that, just remember that red's going to go into the right side and black will go into the left. Alright, so let's get your new fog lights hooked up here. We'll remove these covers, and here's your housing unit provided by Morimoto. So if you remember when we looked inside the truck, this little clip, if you can see that right there, will fit in the top. So we said red is going to be on the right side, so you just want to fit this right in there. Make sure you get that rubber grommet pushed all the way in. And then black is going to be on the left. Get that pushed in. And you're all set. So that's connected. We're going to go back to the truck now. And for me, it's easiest to fit the light in first, and then I will attach the housing afterwards. So takes a little bit of kind of twisting and contorting just to get the light back in there, but pretty simple to do. So pretty basic, straightforward stuff. Alright guys, here we are. We got the fog light inside, and I just wanted to show you that last step of getting the placement back in the proper housing. So here you go. If you can see, slides right in there, and there you go. You have a nice snug fit. All that you need to do now is get that 1 solo screw into the top, and then reattach the wiring, and we're good. Alright, so there it is. New fog lights are installed. They turned out fantastic. Really happy with them. Cannot wait to see them this evening. Please leave any comments, feedback, questions below, and don't forget to like the video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Tacos y Tecates. Thanks to Custom 54 Lighting for providing us with such a cool product, and thanks to Morimoto for producing such a fantastic light. So stay tuned, and we'll see you soon.